Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change windshield wipers on a Hyundai Genesis Coupe. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine off. You will need your new wiper blades and a soft cloth to protect your windshield. Carefully lift each wiper arm away from the glass until it stands upright on its own. Be mindful not to let the arm snap back, as this could damage your windshield. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly while sliding the old blade downward or outward, depending on its design, to detach it from the wiper arm. Take care as you remove the blade and remember its orientation for installing the new one. Repeat this for both sides. With the old blades off, it's time for the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's locked into place. Give the blade a gentle tug to ensure it is securely fastened. Remember, the driver's side blade is often 24 inches and the passenger side is 20 inches. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your washer fluid. Ensure they clear the glass smoothly without streaking or chattering. For optimal visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your windshield wiper blades every 6 months to 1 year, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.